Alright, this is my code for assignment 12. Um, I I had to do a lot of troubleshooting on this, so I apologize in advance. It's not very pretty. This right here threw me off quite a bit, having to enumerate that, but it is enumerated and it all works. I did have to write two new functions, and they look like this, and I know it's crude, but it is an effective way to do it, I guess, because it is working. Other things through here, like it the whole thing just kind of looks like it's held together by zip ties and duct tape, but I did remember to deallocate my memory, so, you know, that's the only part that actually matters. A12, nope, I can't tell you how many times I've typed assign Minette 12. It's been a lot. A12, alright, cars.txt, alright, so as you can see, it exports, just what was in the file cars.txt. If I want to go ahead and input 2016, show everything newer than 2016. There isn't a variable in here 2016, or it would show that. I'll go ahead and nope, because it's case sensitive. Because why wouldn't it be? Cars.txt, uh, something like 2018, and then you can see 2018 is included in there too. But these colors right here are not just taken straight from the thing, from the file. Yeah, they're not just taken straight from the file. They're actually parsed through. Parsed? I think so. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, right here. So when it goes through, when it iterates through everything in the file, it stores everything in the pieces of the structure until it gets down to the color, in which case it puts it into this temporary string, and then that string is sent to the converter that converts it to an integer, and that integer is casted to a color and stored in the color up here, and then when I go to print it, it color to string, like it parses it through that function, just whatever integers in here, throws it into input, and then outputs input right here, and that step goes through this process where pretty much it just does the exact opposite, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as that goes. You saw it works, so that's all that has to be. Now this, as far as grep goes, I have a file a.txt, which is either Quoth the Raven or Nevermore by Edgar Allan Poe. I can't even remember which one it is, but irrelevant, because the grep command will pull up Nevermore from a.txt. Oh, look at that. Imagine that, he actually said the word Nevermore. Uh, but we're doing regular expressions, so I gotta add this handle to it. And if I want to do something like, say, a white space followed by more, or one or more white spaces followed by more from a.txt. Alright, that's actually not right. My bad. Uh, if I wanted to have, okay, how about this? So I'll grab more from a.txt, and oh yeah, look at that. It's got open mores and then evermore, nevermore. Alright, well, I don't want the mores, so instead I'm gonna grep dash E and get what? Uh, a word character and it's got to be at least one before more from a.txt. Alright, well, I'm starting to look like a real idiot here. If there's anything... Man, I did... Hold up. Alright, that's my bad on that one. I did it on Wednesday, and I just assumed that I still remembered all of the pieces of it, and I didn't. I had most of it, though, because I had the dash E, but what I forgot is that the whole thing has to be in quotation marks. So, again, if I'm just looking for more... Oh, well, come on, stall. If I'm just looking for more from a.txt, alright, well, I'll just go ahead and stop that. If I'm looking for more from a.txt, I actually gotta put more in there. This is a disaster. Alright, so you can see it pulls up every single instance where more appears, regardless of if there's a space. I don't want that. I want to use a regular expression, and specifically I want to use the character expression, the alphabet character expression. I don't think it's, what is it called? The word character, that's right. And at least one instance of that, followed by more from a.txt. Wow, look at that. There's no more mores in there. That's pretty cool. I haven't read this since like 8th grade, but I'm pretty sure that Lenore shows up a bunch. But who knows? Maybe there's another nor thing in there. So let's go ahead and try that again. But this time with nor following it out of a.txt. Nope, it's all in nor. Alright, cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see. If I wanted to grab... Well, there wouldn't be any numbers in it. So... Okay, so let's see. I mean, we got more earlier. But let's see if we can get everything that has, say, OR in it. So it is allowed to have a, yeah, it's allowed to have a white space. I think, yeah. Yeah, it's allowed to have a white space. Okay, well, we'll just do a dry run, do that with more, and then a.txt. Alright, cool. So it's allowed to have a white space now, but it doesn't have to. And then my headphones just turned off. I hope this records audio still. I want this to be a character, and then it's OR, and then it's any instance of a character. Yeah. Look at that. Who would have known? And they're not even all just like more, terror, before, more, implore. It's all like forgiveness, sorrow. Is that Morrow? Morrow? I don't know. I'm not an English major. This is an English class. Decorum, even. Yeah, that's cool. Final thing. You left a comment asking about the screen recorder I've been using. Uh, it's called Simple Screen Recorder. You just have to keep another tab open in your Linux environment here. Sorry, in your command line editor environment here. If I'm going to talk about something, I might as well know what I'm talking about. And how I got it was I went to, not that, though I will complete that survey. I went to this website, which I will attach to the comments. It's just called Top 10 Linux Screen Recorders. Uh, it's just real high grade research that I did here. And all that you gotta do is straight up just copy these over. It's crazy how that just works. I mean, because like in Windows, I guess it's not that much more complicated. It's just a simple like, oh yeah, I'm gonna click download. Oh, where do you want to save it? Here, whatever. But just like, I don't know, the fact that just your command line editor can just like access whatever this is, and then just, yeah, I don't know. It's cool. But as you can see, it works pretty well. It doesn't care if I switch between screens. So, sorry this video was so long, but yeah, it's late. I'm not exactly here right now, but I am on time. So, thank you for watching.